to North Star Automotive. Got a request about my pulley puller kit. Working on a Caprice Classic power steering pump. So I'm going to attempt to take this one off. So these are the parts that you need. 1/2 of the jaw. Put that on top of there. Make sure the larger set of jaws is on the inside. Tighten it up. Never done this yet, so grab this ring to hold it on. You could do this by hand, but I always use an impact just to make it go quicker. And you probably should use an impact socket, but I don't have one. It's 13 millimeters. Here we go. There she is. She's off. So it looks like it will work. There's the pulley. So what I'm using, the end piece that goes into the screw that rotates. Screw itself. That thing that makes the threads go on, and the 2 halves that pull it off. So I'm using this, these 3, and that out of the kit. And I just took that pulley off of that pump. 1996 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.